So we wanted to recognize our maintenance crew for their dedication and professionalism to ensure this was a safe place for students. And so Leroy is a senior partner for Fleming Steakhouse at Santa Clara Square. So you're here to recognize the crew that helped you behind the scenes.
I'm honored to be here. Thank you so much for the hard work. I think the tour I got was very eye-opening back there. And Fleming's, we're pleased to recognize the maintenance team that went above and beyond in support to prepare for this community event. I'd like to call up and thank Dennis Hall.
Dennis, where are you?
Nice to meet you. Mike Savino.
Mike Sabino, Dan Mays, and Neilio DeFreitas were not able to make it here today, but they wanted me to thank everybody. They were really honored to get this privilege, and working on the Nature Center was one of the funnest projects that the maintenance department has had a chance to do in a long time. So,
I'd like to present these wonderful maintenance team here is a $200 gift card to our restaurant to have to support, and thank you for what you've done and your dedication to our Thank you.
You guys will have a good steak dinner.